Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we are going to look at the Greenlight SD Trucks Series number 3. We are looking at the 2017 International Workstar Pennzoil Quaker State tanker. This one is actually the green machine, and during one of my travels a few years ago, I actually found a few of these, and I was going to do something interesting with them, but I ended up changing my mind. It is beautiful. I really do like the green on green. I wish they did the tanker as well. It would have looked really cool, but it's alright. So I actually ordered a case of these during that time, and I had 2 regulars, and then, as I said, I found a few chase pieces. This one actually came from Hobby Lobby. I removed the sticker the best I could, but I did find a few of these. I probably had like 4 or 5 of these green machines in total. I like the Workstars. I think they're pretty cool. A lot of good detail in the tanker itself. But I decided to trade some of these away so that way I could get some other things that I could not get before. So I thought it was a good trade. Did it. I only have one left over. I'm not mad.